In this video, I'd like to talk about the JAMS Informatica Cloud integration. Now, to utilize this integration, you must install the Informatica Cloud integration pack if you haven't already done so on the initial installation of JAMS. Now, once the integration pack is installed, the way we connect to your Informatica Cloud instance is through an endpoint. So if we go ahead and go to the execution methods and look at Informatica Cloud, we're going to see there's a parameter on the execution method, Informatica endpoints. And here we simply just provide the endpoints to the Informatica Cloud instance. And for the US, most instances will actually use what we see here as the endpoints. Now, even though we set this at the execution method level, that endpoint could be overridden at the job level if need be. So let's go ahead and create an Informatica Cloud Task job within JAMS. So let's go to the Home shortcut and select Create a Job. Let's go down to JAMS Integration Jobs and select Create an Informatica Cloud Task job. Now here in the dialog that appears, we're going to select a folder we want to save this job within. And let's give this job a name. I'll call this Informatica _demo. Now, as you can see, and it might help if I was able to spell correctly. Okay, now as you can see, the execution method Informatica Cloud is pre-selected for us. Optionally, I can put this job on a schedule. Let's say I want to execute this job every Monday at 12 a.m. Select OK. Now the source of this Informatica job is going to open. And here in the user field, we're going to select from a populated list of users within JAMS are Informatica users. So you're going to want to ensure here in the credential shortcut that your Informatica user details are already created. Once we have the user selected, we can select what task we'd like to get. So what JAMS will pull in a list of tasks that exists on that Informatica instance. So if I choose mapping tasks and select the dropdown, you're going to see the same folder structure you would see in Informatica Cloud. You can then go into that folder structure and select the mapping task that you would like to execute.